children of Gram Yojgar Sevak GRS station and DRDA Thoubal have tested positive for COVID-19. A postgraduate student from Lilong who came in contact with them has also been tested positive. Out of 80 samples tested at Thoubal District Hospital Screening Center, 10 people have been confirmed positive of the virus. With registration of 20 more COVID-19 positive cases in the last 24 hours, the total number of coronavirus cases in Manipur has increased to 1,911. The positive cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of RIMS, Jenims, DHS of Tamenglong, Thoubal, and Mobile Team Imphal East. The new positive cases belong to Bishnupur, Imphal East, Imphal West, Tamenglong, Thoubal, Senapati, and Ukhrul districts. The coronavirus situation in India is worsening as the country is now registering over 30,000 cases for the past few days. The daily record rise in cases has pushed India's coronavirus tally above 11 lakh. Though fatality and recovery rate seems to be improving, the country's rural area are now under increased threat from the deadly virus, according to media reports. Newly elected member of Rajya Sabha Laisembasana Jauba said he will take oath in Manipuri language wearing traditional attire and chanting the names of gods Sanamahi, Ibudau Pakhangba and Sri Sri Govindaji. He said this to media during a cleanliness drive held in and around Govindaji Temple in Imphal today. Phungyu Baptist Church, Tangrai, Ukhrul, the apex church of all the churches of Tangkhul, observed a day-long fasting prayer yesterday. Organized by Tangkhul Nagalong, the apex body of Tangkhul civil organizations, the program was attended by Tangkhul Christian leaders and people from all walks of life. The fasting program, specially based on Indo-Naga political peace talk, began at 7 a.m. and continued till 1 p.m. The COVID-19 positive cases among Assam Police personnel increased to 869 yesterday. Confirming the news, Assam Police on its official Twitter handle yesterday said out of total police tested positive for COVID-19, 484 have recovered. 50 of the police personnel who were earlier infected by the virus have recovered and joined the duty. Assam has registered 1,080 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the state's overall tally to 23,999. Assam currently has 7,916 COVID-19 active cases. Earlier, a total of 16,023 COVID-19 patients were discharged from various hospitals across Assam after they tested negative for the virus. On Sunday, a total of 858 patients who were earlier infected by the virus have been discharged from the hospitals in the state. A woman, Neo-Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen Bangladesh, Neo-JMB, operative from India who was heading the women's wing of the banned terror outfit, has been arrested in Bangladesh. Besides raising funds, Progya Devnath, alias Aisha Janat Mohana, alias Janatun Tasmin, was given the responsibility to recruit young girls for the women's wing of the banned militant outfit from both Bangladesh and India and train them, according to media reports. A total of 22 new COVID-19 positive cases were reported in the Chinese mainland yesterday, of which 17 were domestically transmitted. Chinese health authorities said today. All domestically transmitted cases were reported in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. No deaths related to the disease were reported yesterday, according to media reports. The United Arab Emirates says its Amal space probe functioning after launch as it heads towards Mars, as per media reports. The United Arab Emirates spacecraft rotated away today on a 7-month journey to Mars, kicking off the Arab world's first interplanetary mission. The liftoff of the Mars orbiter named Amal or Hope from Japan marked the start of a rush to fly to Earth's neighbor that includes attempts by China and the United States.